This is Nicole with Hostfully, and I'm going to show you how to turn on the optional feature of having a splash page for your guidebooks, which would be a page that your guest sees the very first time they click on the URL to the guidebook, and they would see an option to review the terms or the house rules, accept them, and then enter their email address, which you can collect and see in a report on the back end, and from there they can enter the guidebook. So what you want to do to turn on this feature is go into your Hostfully dashboard and go down to Themes. Select your company theme that you have already created or are creating, and then go down to do you want guests to accept terms before viewing. Here's where you turn on the splash screen feature, and you can make it an option to either have an optional feature for their email or make it required. So you could do optional, we'll do required. And then here's where you enter terms of agreement. You can copy and paste those in, or any house rules. And then you can choose to change the I agree button. I've chosen accept. You can change your button color if you like as well. You can do that green or whatever color you like. And then go down and save it. Make sure it's attached to the correct guidebook that you want the splash screen. So you could pick Andesol, and then we'll put save card. And then you would click on that guidebook and see this page. And how that looks is review terms. Here's where the house rules would be. They accept them, then they have to enter their name and their email address. They can get access. Now they're inside the guidebook and they will not see that splash screen again. And how that helps you is you can go back into your dashboard, go down to reports and guest terms, and this is where you can see who has logged in to which guidebook. Here are their email addresses, which you can use for remarketing. You can also see the date and what platform that they use to log into the guidebook. And that is how you create the optional splash screen feature.